Hi, welcome to Sherman Oaks Medical. My name is Kevin. I'm one of our assistive technology professionals here at Sherman Oaks Medical Supplies. Along with our team here, we wanted to do an in-depth demonstration and showcase what exactly power seating is when it comes to power wheelchairs and electric wheelchairs and the importance of power seating. So here we have a brand new Permobil M3 mid-wheel drive power chair. This chair does have full power seating, which includes seat elevation, power tilt, power recline, and elevation of the legs as well. So we'll go ahead and dive in and showcase all the different positions that this chair can achieve, as well as show you what the importance of each position is. So here I'm seated in our Permobil M3 with full power seating. So we're going to start with one of the more common and more important functions, which is called the power tilt. So what the power tilt is able to do is the chair is able to change its angle and tilt itself. So it changes our center of gravity. So when looking at it firsthand, you ask yourself, what is the importance of this position if my back is still going to be straight the whole time? But when we're really looking at it and looking in depth into it, you see that all of our force and our weight goes straight into this area here in our lower back where our tailbone is. So what this means is for someone that has a lot of trunk weakness or weakness in the abdomen area, and we tend to slide forward, it's almost impossible to do that if the chair is tilted. So it reduces the risk of both sliding out of the chair and ensures that you're always properly positioned all the way inside of the chair. So the next function we're going to dive into is going to be the power recline, where we're able to just change the angle of the back itself. So your power recline is done again with just the press of a button. It's able to recline the chair, and a chair like a Permobil M3 is going to be able to lay almost fully flat. And then the importance of having a power recline is, along with a lot of the other functions, it allows to put you in a more comfortable position if you're going to be resting for longer periods of time, or if you're someone that just wants to get a stretch in and it's kind of tiring to just stay in that one position of a straight 90 degrees or 95 degrees, you're able to just change that angle real quick and then shift the weight and get a good stretch in your lower back. The next function we're going to go ahead and showcase is a kind of a more rare one. It's called a seat elevator. So exactly how it sounds, it's going to elevate our seat height of the chair. So this is a really cool function. Your few reasons why you have a function like this, say you're inside of the home and you need to reach something that's going to be a little higher up. This gives you the ability to get up a little higher to reach it and get more access to things that are higher up than where the chair's normal seating position is. As well as if you're trying to talk to somebody and you want to just be at the same height as them, you're able to just be eye to eye instead of them looking down at you in a chair. So it allows you and gives you a little more freedom as far as independence and being able to do more things that you weren't able to do if you don't have that seat elevator. So our fourth and final function that a chair like this offers is going to be the power leg rest. So this is able to lift up the leg section of our chair. So I'm going to go ahead and do that here. Again, with the press of a button, we're able to elevate our legs. So as they elevate, they also push out. So it's able to give you a nice stretch as well in your legs. Then once they're pushed out, we have our legs elevated here. So those were all four functions that the chair offers as far as recline, tilt, power seat elevator, and then power leg elevator, and the importance of each function and why it's needed. So now I'm going to show you what having all of the functions in one chair is able to achieve. So if you're someone who wants to have your legs elevated, from here we're also able to tilt the chair and change the angle. And then from here, we're also able to recline the chair as well. So we're able to just shift the back itself. And then instantly, one of the first things you're going to notice is that your legs are a lot higher than the rest of your body. So if you're someone that has a lot of swelling in the legs, edema, and things like that, the chair like this is able to achieve a zero gravity position that's able to relieve all of that. So on top of this, there's a bunch of other functions as well that you can achieve. But one of the big important things as well is a chair like this can get to an angle that's comfortable enough to be slept in for longer periods of time, as well as just give you that ability to shift positions every so often. That way you don't have too much pressure build up in a certain area. Thank you guys for tuning into this informational video discussing power seating, the importance of power seating, and the various functions that power seating can offer in an electric wheelchair. If you're someone interested in a chair like this, please feel free to give us a call at 818-896-9996. And if you're someone interested in sampling a chair like this, our rehab and repair center is located here at 10725 San Fernando Road in the city of Pacoima, California, and our zip code is 91331.